Hey guys, today we are going to unbox and build a brand new Lapiazza Toscana wood-fired oven. So let's start with building the stand. We're going to unbox it. It's well packaged, guys. You don't have to worry about any dings or scratches. This thing is very well packed. Just came off the truck a few hours ago, and now we're going to unpack it. Take all the plastic off, throw that box aside. All right, got the wife helping me because it just makes it easier. So this is pretty funny. We didn't fully read the instructions, which are pretty vague. They're not great, but I'm going to help you with that. We started putting it together. We've got the bolt, washer, then a washer and a nut on the back, and then we realized it's just a bolt and a washer on the front and just a nut on the back. So we ran out and had to redo this whole process basically. As you're going to see us here just going to the same corners constantly. And right here, literally I'm taking the washers off the back and then reinstalling everything and tightening it up. I've got a couple wrenches, so make sure they're all nice and hand tight. And here I'll show you exactly how it should look. So it should be bolt and washer on the outside. As you can see, there's a little washer underneath there. And then if you go, there's also the connector there, exact same setup, just bolt and washer. And on the back, just the nut. So nice and hand tight. And then here I'll show you how we did the wheels, which is really simple. After we kind of retighten up all of the nuts and bolts here, we're gonna get the wheels on there. And for the wheels, it's literally nut, washer, and a Loctite. And tighten her down. There's no nut on the other side. Bolt, washer, and Loctite. No nut on the other side. It's got the pre-threads in there in the bottom of each leg. So really basic. Total build time was about 30 minutes. Even with me taking 5-10 minutes to rebuild everything because I'm an idiot. Flip it over. I got 4 guys to help me lift this 325-pound beautiful Lapiazza wood-fired oven on top of there. Once we got it on, I had to light it up. I just couldn't take it sitting there and not using it. So threw some wood in there, threw the chimney on, opened up the flume, used my grill gun, got it blazing hot. Took about, I'd say, a minute maybe to get this wood lit. And then we're going to put the cover on, or I guess the front door on, and let it heat up. And we couldn't just cook nothing, just burn it in. So we let it burn off for a little while, and we had to make some s'mores. Check it out, guys. Lapiazza Toscana.